This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. You are logged into Feather Family, you have coins and Feather currency, and you meet the level or quest requirement. Once confirmed, open the in-game shop and switch to limited or seasonal tabs. This is where event plushes appear. Make sure to check any active timers, because some items rotate every 24 hours. Start the purchase process immediately when the penguin plush appears, since stock or event windows can close fast. Next, focus on the acquisition method, direct buy or craft. If buying, confirm the exact coin amount and approve. If crafting, collect the components and enter the craft menu. You must complete any associated minigame or exchange sequence, perform actions carefully, because failed attempts may consume resources. Once you start crafting, monitor progress bars and don't leave the screen during timed steps. If trading with friends, coordinate the transfer immediately. Finally, finish by confirming the plush appears in your inventory, then equip or place it in your home. Save or exit from the placement screen to lock the change. If the item is missing after a successful transaction, first review your purchase history and inventory logs, then check server status or maintenance messages. If still unresolved, reconnect, clear cache, and restart the game. Contacting support with transaction ID resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.